Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open Figma files. You can easily access your designs directly through your web browser or by using the dedicated Figma desktop application. Both methods offer a seamless experience for getting into your projects. We'll cover the simple steps for each approach, ensuring you can open any Figma file quickly and efficiently. Let's get started with the browser method. To open a Figma file in your browser, simply navigate to Figma. Come and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard, which displays all your recent projects and team files. Just click on the thumbnail of the file you wish to open, and it will load directly in a new browser tab, ready for you to start designing or collaborating. If you prefer using the desktop application, launch it from your computer. The app automatically syncs with your cloud files, so your recent projects will appear on the home screen. You can also open local Fig files by simply dragging and dropping them directly into the application window. This provides a convenient way to work offline or with files stored on your device. Remember to always save your work regularly, especially when making significant changes, to ensure your progress is backed up in the cloud. Sharing your designs is straightforward. Just generate a shareable link from within the file. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. Happy designing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.